Westermans here. The inverter spot welder been sold. Water cooled. Main importers are Pro Spot. Very nice machine, very solid. Can be used for obviously nut or standard spot welding. Also with this is a chiller. Single phase on that. I think the kVA is possibly about 100 kVA. It's a model ALFA 209. Very nice machine. More machines available from stock. So unfortunately no inverter based ones at present, or transformer based, but a good selection of small to medium and some of the larger kVAs, or resistance spot welding or resistance seam welding. We can also offer single sided hand operated, which is great for aircraft industry and heat shields on automotives. Please have a look at the website where you'll find more videos and details. Welding@westermans.com. Email me for more details, or please look at Westermans.com for more photographs and details. Thank you for looking.